Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. Here it is. This is tilapia, and we're gonna put, this is Nappa cabbage. Underneath is rice. This has been, and some a little bit of cilantro, and then some lime juice, and then some garlic salt, and I'm gonna push the bun here with the rice here. Oh, and some white pepper. So, and then I'm gonna wait for it to cook, and then I'm gonna make a sort of sauce to go on top of the rice there, and I'll be back. All right, guys. So here is the rice and all the vegetables all done. This fish is in there. So I actually added a little bit too much water in this, but you can actually make it into a congee now. So it's not my intent, but you know, if you screw up, it's not a big deal. So here is the rice. Let's do a quick taste test and see if the flavor is still there. Taste-wise, it actually is pretty good congee. So, totally, if you ever go to an Asian restaurant, you can actually try congee. It's actually basically rice porridge, almost. Okay, so definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel. I'm actually going to be harvesting a pepper there and making a sauce to go in to make it a little bit more flavorful as well. So stay tuned. All right, so here is the sauce I'm going to put on the congee. So it is cilantro, peppers, ginger, soy, tamari sauce is what I use, and it's basically sauteing in there, and I'm going to put it right into this congee right there. Okay guys, if you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.